So those are the Gen Y, and similarly the Gen Z. Similar characteristics. So let me spend a little bit about Gen Z, or what you call the digital natives. And these are the young individuals who are now the 15 to 16 to 19 who come into the workplace in the next 2 to 3 years. So these are what we call they are the native speakers of digital language. They understand technology. They grow up with iPad, grow up with technology, they grow up with computers and video games, instantaneous communication. Internet is their world. They cannot imagine life without internet. And my nieces, nephews, looking at this younger generation, they find they're struggling. If we take away their all this communication tool, they will struggle. And I ask a lot of this Gen Z in the institution of higher learning, they cannot imagine life without all this tool. So the Gen Z or the Linkster, the word Linkster, because they call Linkster because they're like no other generation. They're so linked to each other through the world of technology. Social media, Snapchat, Instagram, of course Facebook, social media and so forth. They're so integrated. So they come with a different set of what you call their own mindset into the workplace. They are called digital native because, as I said just now, they cannot function without communicating through social media. Their email is all. They don't use email as much, but they use communication through the various social media communication platform. They want change. They learn. They want to be able to make a difference. And they are very involved in corporate social responsibility. They want to be involved. They want to make a difference. They believe in the environment. They believe in making a difference in the lives of the people that they work with. So what does it mean to engage them? As a leader, you need to understand a few things about Gen Z. Gen Z, as I said, the parents are baby boomers. They don't expect job for life. They will move on to next job like Gen Y. So they're quite similar in that sense. They want regular feedback. They want you to tell them when they make a difference. They want you to empower them. They also believe in work-life balance. They want to be able to give a reward recognition. They want to be committed to their own personal development. They don't expect the organization to develop them. If you can, it's fine, but they believe to develop themselves through other means using technology with the MOOCs, the massive open learning platform the universities worldwide are offering. They will learn, they will find ways to develop themselves. They're quite resilient. These are the group of people very resilient. So let me just conclude with this. The world today is going to transform the next 10 to 50 years. You're going to have more and more Gen Y in leadership role. You're going to have Gen Z coming in big numbers the next 15 years into the workforce. The question is this: are you ready for them? What do you need to do differently? How can I ask yourself this question? How can I change my style of leadership, my way of engaging this group of people? That is important because the future is here. The future is now. VUCA requires you to change now. With that note, again, it's like any other module, look at your action plan. What are you going to do? Look at your SMART action plan. Focus on one challenge that you would like to work on and work on it. And let me know how it goes on social media and communicate with me. With that note, I wish you good luck, all the best, and I look forward to seeing you in the next module. Thank you.